application of Kirchoff laws. The aim is to apply Kirchoff laws into a real-world experiment by measuring currents and electrical potential differences around circuit. I will examine Kirchoff's current law and voltage law. And equivalents are two power supplies, three multimeters, five resistors, and a couple of jumper wires. In the setup, two loops are created to measure Kirchhoff's law. I will measure current values. There are three current values in the multimeter. So that I will take the necessary data, then I will write Kirchhoff law's equations and observe that Kirchhoff laws are valid.
It is my circuit schematic that I will use in the experiment. Here you can see the circuit schematic in the laboratory. Current values are labeled as I1, I2, I3, and I4. As a result, four current values that are labeled and measured by precise ammeter. I1 is calculated as 0.075 and I2 is calculated as 0.072. I3 is calculated as 0.003 and I4 is calculated as 0.075, which is same as I1 as we expected. By looking node 1 and node 2, we observe that Kirchhoff's current law is valid. Since in node A, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3, in node B, I4 is equal to I2 plus I3. These equations are correct according to Kirchhoff's current law. Secondly, by setting two different loops, in the experiment Kirchhoff's voltage law is valid. We calculate the results by using calculator and observe that equations are so close to zero. It is equal to zero approximately, as the difference between theoretical and experimental values occurred because of the precisement of the ammeter. In conclusion, we examined that Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law are valid and applicable to complex circuits, which are not easy to solve by basic voltage-current relations. Thanks for listening me.